You can shout yourself out too.
What's up, man? Follow me on Facebook, Dylan Got Keys. I got you, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, dude. And, I mean, yeah, man, this thing's been taken care of pretty well. I can't remember what the dude did, like, basically to trade in. I think he ended up getting a truck or something like that. Didn't want to deal with these crazy gas prices with the V8, but hey, it's all right. It's all right. But, yeah, it's a smooth ride, man. Pop it open for you every day.
It's crazy because this. I think this the body style that I like the most.
It's sweet. This one's 2016. That one's V6 though, and then we did have another one up here. I'm gonna pop this one. Let's open this bad boy up. I'll open the other side too, so you can take some video on the inside of it. But the red interior definitely makes it. I'll tell you that for sure.
And it's 27, right?
Yeah, 27.5 I want to say. And then are you in Missouri or you Illinois?
Illinois.
So the only thing with Illinois, anytime you're financing, they require you to roll your tax, title, and license into it. So you got to add that back into it. But other than that, yeah, price of it's solid. And like Nathaniel said in there, it's an anniversary edition. So I mean, these things are great.
Thing is clean.
See if I can find this latch. Probably in a minute. No, don't tell me. There you go. Clean it.
Damn.
Yeah. Yep.
Aftermarket cold air intake too.
I like this thing.
About 15 horsepower just right there.
Start this bad boy up so he can get the engine on video. I'm about to start it up so you can hear this thing.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How many miles is on there?
47,000, very low miles.
47.
It's like 44.4, right?
Yeah, 44.4, yeah.
Something like that. It's not showing me the actual message.
Yeah, I meant because this is, a special edition. The guy didn't put really any miles on it. You figure 10 years, usually 15,000 miles a year. Normally a car would have 150,000 miles in there, you get 15,000 miles a year. So it has, I mean, almost nothing on it. The guy drove it about 4,000 miles a year. That's a car. You don't see these really ever, especially a mile like this.
That thing is quiet.
That's not because we cleaned it. The guy just maintained it that well.
Man, like it up, man. If y'all think this the one for me, I don't know. I like it.
I think it is, man.
I looked at another SS, but I'm looking in the 20 range.
What was the other one priced at?
It was 40.
So usually, that's why, I mean, you get a car that's rare, as this one is, and you got it reasonably priced too. I know we got the best prices in the region.
That one was a 21 too, though.
I mean, that's fair.
It's a 12. You're not going to find anything within 250,000 miles less expensive than us, and you're not going to find a vehicle this rare. I mean, this is rare. It's 20th, it's an anniversary edition. It's just a very rare vehicle.
It sounds really good, man. I like it.
Yeah, red and black leather seats and it's a vehicle car.
Yes, sir. Didn't we have another SS up here too? I don't know if that one's still here or not.
That's an SS, that black one.
Oh, the 2010, yeah. That one has 99,000 miles. So I wouldn't say that high mileage.